Many people find this difficult. Let's make it easy. How do we show that 3 and 5/7 plus 1 and 2/3 equal to 5 and 8/21? Let's first write it. So what I will do now is adding the numbers first. Just 3 plus 1, the whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. Let's leave this aside. And let's do 5/7 plus 2/3. To add these, we need a common denominator. The common denominator is 21. So we will multiply the first one by 3 over 3 and the second one by 7 over 7. So the first one will be 3 times 5, which is 15 over 21, plus the second one is 7 times 2, which is 14 over 21. And then we add 14 plus 15, which is 29 over 21. Now, how many times 21 goes into 29? It goes one time. The leftover is 8 over 21. And that's it. How easy. Let's go and add it to this 4 here. We have 1 and 8/21 plus 4. It's 5 and 8/21. And that's all for this question. That's 3 marks. Question 6.